car, 40 peso. Yeah. Hi everyone. We just arrived to Pampang Market. First time we park in this parking. Parking here 40 peso. That's why empty. You see this? 1, 2, 3. About 5 cars only. 40 peso. So better park outside in the road if you want to faster.
Kung kayo mag-open yan sa ano? Mga market? Anong oras po kung mag-open?
Madaling araw.
Madaling araw po talaga siya.
Kasi sa kabilang palengke. Sa may isang likuran.
Don't have here.
Don't have?
It's only 12 a.m. only.
Night time only. Only banana, yes. This is night market. Only night time working. Daytime close. Yeah. Oh. Banana, coconut also can buy. Empty. Okay, let's go.
Nakita mo, habang binubuhat natin yung tao, nakatingin sa akin sa lugar.
We're planning to buy here salmon. I think maybe have salmon, but don't have. All don't have. All closed. So this is market. It's only for open night time. It's for reseller. So who want to buy and sell? Yeah, vegetable. Maybe we go into the Landers. In Landers have salmon.
But it's traffic time.
Да, no problem traffic. It's faster. Не, Market Mall.
Let's go.
Yes, let's go. So in Landers we can buy already in Landers. We bought already salmon, and Shaira want it, and I will show to you what we order. This is what Shaira.
Chicken roll up.
Chicken roll, pizza. Shaira like cola for you, so many. Fry also for Shaira. Total we paid 339 peso. I will show also what we bought. This one. This is salmon. Salmon price 1,600. Buy one, take one.